Who is natural cycles suitable for? Who uses natural cycles? Can anybody use it? What do I need to know? There is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to birth control, and like any method, natural cycles isn't a perfect fit for everyone. It's important that you find a method that is a right fit for your body and your lifestyle. Natural cycles is a method that uses an algorithm to detect your fertile days. It's digital and natural, but requires a routine. Natural cycles is 93% effective under typical use. Let's take a look at our handy checklist to find out if it could work for you. It could work for you if you are willing to use protection or abstain from sex on days that the app tells are red days. This method could work for you if you are willing to measure most mornings. It could work for you if you have a fairly regular cycle. It could work for you if you have not been diagnosed with thyroid-related conditions, polycystic ovary syndrome, or a condition where a significant risk would be associated with pregnancy. On top of this, there are a few more factors to consider. If you are coming off of hormonal birth control, it can take several cycles before becoming more regular again. You should expect more red days during these cycles. Our data shows that women transitioning to natural cycles from hormonal birth control have a higher risk of becoming pregnant due to generally not being accustomed to using other forms of protection. If you have an irregular temperature or are breastfeeding, you are less likely to ovulate. Keep in mind that natural cycles does not protect against STIs. If you want to find out more about natural cycles and if it's right for you, take our assessment or check out our user manual and encyclopedia.